it also gets back to the issue of people we appoint to hold certain public office on our behalf. The kind of any understanding or more entity or more. No matter what. In the first place, one kasa office in Shisha. And to say, Isumasi Jana is a betting, a real side, Jana, a real. Now, what's Timoko now show? But oh no, who this Mosija has happened for so. So, I'm about to no, I'm interested you. No, I have to say, another route to Sudan, but oh, the one in the whole cry so much to be answer. You know, so they say they're dropping men's cratch for now. Wait there. A dear dance, a preface, one casawa, you sack yourself. Call your pa dance, a crown once I dance, was I there dance your brain. Indeed, Mature dance here from Fujin, I could go with the more FM station dinner as a unity. No, it's like Jaboson, so the echo call so. I don't know, this says me. I don't Jaboson so sounds, so this is so I got to the fee. Any people come maybe I continue to about confirm. Yeah, the cockot. Hey, strange in this country. Well, you know, when you have to do this one, we say, my main cow sent paying for it, but sad notes be on me for mama. You are Stephen Labby, Canina on our Pretty Parties nightclub. We are businessman. Stephen Labby, Omame, Edda from Mercy, Opare, and Kama. Mama Oye, the late Onyameya Duma, na watri na wiye ekropon edukrom akuapem. Yes, edukrom akuapem wo King Christ the King Methodist Chapel ho na ekoye wufusom no na yakopene krabia wo edukrom akuapem na afie na ase the same church Christ the King Methodist Church edukrom akuapem. Intention of Stephen Labby, Yanko Chi, Canelo no Pretty Parties nightclub, or your businessman and so. And Nemame, Anna, that for me, Nemame, the late Mercy, Opare, and Kama, and one seminar. I think MP for Techiman South, MP for Techiman South, Martin J. Mensa Kosa, Onyame on the 27th of this month, on the Sumako Kata de Manaso. Ewo Techiman Methodist School Park ana eyi ne bekoso ye hye no so ye ma Martin Yako na ye ma hye de oni abusua na ye kota na chi Techiman Methodist Park na onko kata ne ma mechi kama another sad one. My friend, my brother Kwabna Anomafo, former MC DC for Asin South, ono so ne hokani 42 years or Kwaba. You know, and that was the end of the story. Honorable Anomafo, so sad. Anomafo, former DC for Asin South, shedding is the only word we can use at this moment. Na Onyaminso Kaho in times like this. So on the 27th of November, I was about to your late wife. Na so aka. On the brighter side of life, Mr. and Mrs. Quadison, or more Quadison, Ebushano multimedia, I'm saying. Ono wish you moba. Bear Marketis Quadison, or Jane Mano School, a happy birthday. All force men Kyle say, Omodo, Omani sound. And to be any home mano, when you're here, and I will need to 2 accounts that BBM. On the bar, but I will chair my BBS make kama any amount. Here was the best started at Nasi, Mashibi Jenny. Or Honda DB, me bar, I so a to me. You say, oh, who do you say constituency Nasia? No, I had a constituency in the crowd, even though to be English, Botiano, amount for Botiano English, and a Botiano English amount for
is Botiano English among from DNA. Until you acronym now
DNA. You are just careful. Abu. What about conversation? What yeah.
Ubone sa na meti na mankasa. Da me kwa himfie no no say.
Problem
na date da ho.
Problem yes. Your channel no so amo. Very very important. Se mo so mu ni wa. Amamu in general nankasa edin yi pa. Almost a time mo so ya na say eboabo ya tete ma bibia ntimi ko kama. Constituency boko. Mo so akoye mo 1 week na ye yi nankasa.
1 week.
Okay.
1 week.
Okay.
Patrick Obinado. Unfortunately, ne ye dano ko sadi with me amenua Martin James Akosa.
27
na.
Yeah.
Busia for the abase e be kra na chi kra. But me did say parliament to be fully represented. Martin James Akosa. Oya brantia bibie ni ho ye wo chamber ho a onfa ne honjim.
Okay.
Gise ebia adaje emma ne kwan. Ebia ebeko bia. So he's one person, the name said everybody is looking forward, say Yebekwa Kojano.
Good.
I mean Martin has really served a lot of people, including us on a personal level.
Okay.
So for us, Mitis is here now, I bought me Pusa.
Yeah.
Because I crash it, me organize a year. But I think he understands the work. So for me, I can be pardoned.
Okay.
So mean to me Kojano. But I'm with him in spirit and in everything.
Well, I was the vice president is
speaking tonight.
Tonight, 5:30 at Charles University.
5:30, yes.
Digitization.
Of course. That is the way to go. And Dr. Baumia has proven.
Ghana as a case study.
Yes, he's proven. Say, Oshe Niama Hudwa, yeah. Debia me can say, and different from what advanced countries but a scaling up of those things and who here, because the majority of our populace are now businesses are now say when your informal sector. So ma yenyani padom ma yemfa yehu engine, especially when we are advancing the argument now the structure say go form for cashless society. Now nipa saying and they can go cashless using technology. And no as we are quite do baby says we got to watch it when you can say we use the capufu if you bottom so and no about mine because it can caught in circulation no deteriorate na was a bank contract for probation na the about or mine say Dr. Baumia anti-money watch it no original ho na QR code they are top we and then we do toll booth ahodo anka ni papa mu a wodo anya afi na queue ahodo e ba ho yi eye scan car no wetua dada o sticker bo scan ya wo na wokọ eno dream bi anim nti yes no na eboa but the informal sector eno ne so o man he ne wokọ registrar general ene now your companies ahodo a e won krata mu about 90% of such companies ni nyina your companies are wo the small scale medium businesses largely informal sector. So Mijidi say Dr. Baumia has shown the way and Obi Abedi who dance here. And for an institution like Asashi, they are quite credible.
Very credible.
Very, very credible. And I think say what most students are more producing over the years or more into existence no have shown say technology and that is the way you bet to me ama or minor any Bibi ni ho betumi aye without technology and sebi COVID dey buy achre yempa say technology ni ma and institutions are who do be ebe collapse and Zoom any other networks are dey meetings I hu here say ebe tu kwan ahodo it's proven na meji dey say niama ye dey ago akwan mu nde no in few years to come na Ghana for be hu infrastructure but today we share the banking sector mobile money transactions aba which are abwa and then we man we anya fe na we this cash envelope me am bi so fa come me wo cross no ho na onipa no cause me ko kra na sika no ko yira na ye ho ade dey bi and adwade form ko dwa so ankrofo ko twa omuji omu sika okwan mo they don't do that anymore okono de sika to ni wallet so and odu ho anu yi ni sika no dey atone ni nyama. So for me I think that technology and digitalization is the way to go in a developing country like Ghana to catch up with the rest of the world.
So your thinking is that Dr. Bawumia will get enough to demonstrate to Ghanaians, so on one case, or not just a talkative?
No, certainly we share every facet of economy, revenue mobilization, we share service delivery in the country today, we share your payment systems. And the National Service Secretariat, they who dream in Yama course so proud to are coming into office. And technology I eliminated that dream because first you could kusika before the Yamapa Nane or Senipa Etia or Mokano 10,000, Ubekomuna Nipa Etia Moka 5,000. Now the Akane in a call him for. And then you do proper verification system, no, an intro, a reduce fraud in the system. So there's a lot to show for what we've done in the last 5 years. And of course, there's more room for improvement. Said the American to bridge the digital gap. No, we need education. We need people to be abreast with whatever you are doing. Because if a few of your populace and are in tune with it now, it is obvious. A friend is saying the full benefit of it. So for me, it is clear the foundation is being laid. We need to grab it and scale it up. Said the Beya. More has is here. Immediately say multimedia, more systems, human interventions. No, every now and then you are working so hard to reduce it. And then on my hand, ya kwa do baby court systems. Say to me electronic systems. Your judicial system, and then you digitize everything. When you go to Lands Commission, I've had the opportunity to serve at the
I've experienced it also.
If experienced it, so these are things that we are talking about, and then you don't need to physically be present to be able to get your documentation. You can even monitor process echo. So it's everywhere, and that is the only way you bet to me dream human interface. No say doors one, and the friend is saying, dream
in his quest to get Ghana along the digitization age. Right. Yeah, share the preparedness and readiness of the Ghanaian and the society or person or this and such because lots of impediments Ubia or person or this such but we are suffering, especially Ghana being not an exception. Now we are used to a certain pattern, a certain status quo. If you want to break through that status quo, you think that it's going to go up to Krana, fierce resistance. Right. Still, people want to do movement behind the scenes and only the publisher here. How do we really punish or how do we cut these?
Your marketing, microphobia from laggards to change and as almost some margin to new trends. So they are very difficult to convince when you're a marketer. Such people, they don't adapt to change easily. For Obi a survivor in his entire business operations, face to face, there's no technology way boom. Into Obi are keeping a juma. Obi a juma ministry be department be an agency be for 10-20 years no or photocopies. Or till on a juma say or photocopy or tam far away. No, they are called chief executive office. Chief executive minute we are no what tam. No, they are called her. No, they are called. Nejumo ya wa no. Until come baby affairs no see files have no leg. It was a movie. Into one go who be and share is sama. Ya sign no file no crab movie crana a problem. And so when you try say be eliminate sani money nyina. So we sani money nyina fi wa. Nkrofo ku bi wo wa mo feel say wo mo adwuma e be ba wo mo. Obi ni wo be ba wo office. Na we hu say wo mu na wanim nya fa nti wo say wo di bibi hye table bi ase na wo di ama no. Penny be your supervisor no or monitor where juma na wo ye no even online until you have to deliver a boansuma productivity a cost room to the extent say ne e was say we files 20 when juma na wa anya obi abi hu say juma we say we ye e na wa anya so clearly e be take time kakra e no ntin ye cost bo hu de ro said ye be adapted to the new change na urban sebi o ma hene your T.O. Maimus is your payment systems is one of the Niama and Manipa Lusus Kapa anytime. Ubeko bank ahudo na nipa bochenku. But and mobile money akwa could do 10,000 Ghana cedi. Ube to me the transaction. Ukuta ATM. Now debit cards now there people can buy things online uti ufi and then nipa be break and shopping biom or tinifie no akọ market online na watoto ni bibia na ya deliver ma no wetuaka na ya deliver ma no so ebua niama ye ho wa ma no ne ye fe ne ade nyina no that is how omotumi atumpon ne bebia omo abedu benim se enye nipa ne nyina sebi na omo be adapt so quickly but said nipa dom no ti ase na ye call that ya obviously the larger society will come along.
In the quest to also go digital, it comes with a lot of risk.
Yes.
Ghana, any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in this case, put in those necessary checks and balances now. Ebema, these risk venture now, even though very beneficial, are minimizing my trust system.
Obviously, no system is 100% safe. Even the man-to-man transactions are but of course the sanctity and the safety of a digital world are much better than what we are used to. Every day biano you try say be improve system every day. That is why we developing the system bia obi to me a hacky. Even there are people who are paid to hack into systems to test the vulnerability of systems that are more developing over time. So Mijidi say yes, that fear will be there, but obviously Myanmar ye na no say service government service delivery and no ebeboy enye bibia na it comes with that much risk. Be Myanmar bi wo eboa service delivery said the beya o ma hen enye de bia na wo say tu kwan say bi obi be register the company na na wo so fit achima no ho Faka about 6 hours no be doing crime.
It's avoidable.
I mean how na was a banisa and then we your passport o man who call online we fill you forms why you bibia what take you picture you scan you go through you vet it you issue passport amount identity was said nipa ko botching we passport office na connection man abem who ko register wo car data and then o man police service e dey be back to the extent say we your driver na ye chill water chiman ye do particulars the kind of offense why you dey share with system until dey call baby I mean that is how yet me fight crime and is we boni wo ha ene na wo dey ukwa na ko do aflawo police ni who car number my system no ball car number na asimasi your driver way that's who committee offense say it will join betumi achew.
Okay,
that is how a forward looking country betumi akoso but anya sa niam we ni eti ho o ma hene na afina ya send a wireless message say asimasi driver ye hwehwe no na de emwa.
Well, my make say nimyo for Sylvester Tete but channel English man from Rashibedwani na na twetwe nkomo na wan say ye hwe nim say Greater Accra Regional Secretary NDC Tete Chai honorable so ba kai nsa wan say but ye try nkomo no so no what's really happening in parliament so the speaker the Ghana Police Service what's the matter?
Well, I think it was last week Tuesday, and then the honorable member for Medina constituency, in the course of proceedings, draw speaker attention to an alleged attempt to be arrested by the police, and on the side of the story. I think the speaker has referred the matter to the Privileges Committee, citing the district police officer and 2 other people. That matter is there. Yeah, also say the IGP has written to the Speaker of Parliament for release of Honorable Sosu to assist the police in investigations. Our police for Naka say he's organized a demonstration without prior approval of the police administration, which is in contravention of the Public Order Act, to assist in investigations. And then the speaker has subsequently written or sent a reply to the police on to me and Fanima because Parliament is citing all the way. But I think the police has also indicated said they will go to the Supreme Court for interpretation on that clause. If a member of Parliament is on his way or from Parliament, cannot assist in investigation, cannot be arrested. There are 2 different things here: arrest and assisting in investigations. I mean, there are 2 different matters here. I mean, yeah, sure, say police are not so much aware of these things, but of course, emra interpretation, it depends who is interpreting it. That is why the interpretation that yemra pom ye de nyina ma Supreme Court. Me can e bia me come and ask you to me. Also can be come and ask you to speaker interpret but the institution that is clothed with the authority for interpretation. And I think the police administration has done the good thing by indicating some court, Supreme Court, for the interpretation of that portion of our statute. Because Omahene, as same way, Abba Akko from 1993. I mean, starting 97. And then 2000, when people were arrested in the church, all these things, the police administration. So I think, say, as same way, Ebekwa Koda, a Supreme Court, the interpretation, Abba. For me, as a member of parliament, I sympathize with my colleague member of parliament. Say, I'm a bechu, but and also interested Udim Rabeshe won't say as a member of parliament that we ought to know. So the orientation on your parliament alongside a Mrana Wakinkai in relation to the privileges you enjoy as a member of parliament. What is your understanding? My understanding, yeah. No, my understanding, no, sir. You see, who determines at what point who koye parliament ejuma and as a parliament eba Metias is here parliament SCT 10 o'clock into fifie besia ko parliament me fifie anopaya me fifie bai na fan say menya kwenhia bi wo kwan so. It is true me call parliament because you can't say me fifie before 6 o'clock me faha no ma call parliament. So the reasonable man, everyone says a parliament is 10 o'clock. You don't leave your house 5:30. Say we call parliament. Obviously, you are not going to parliament. But then it be a traffic area. Exactly. So it be set with space. Exploit it. I mean, the privileges are clear. That as a leader, as a member of parliament, the constitution gives us a certain degree of privilege. We have to enjoy. But that privilege should not be abused. And no one will say, draw the thin line. Because a child there, you call for the privilege. What about the other person also at the end of home? For me, and no one will say, proper interpretation of it. And yes, sir, Sebi, Udem Krana police for a ball punk, will say, if a parliament, my bawachna, me call parliament, me faces here, into me faminko. And also, Nemrano say, get the speaker, okay, Honorable Yariga. He tried to go behind the privileges of the party, not even to attend upon a court suit. And then the speaker interpreted and said, look, you want a court, no, and fix it, the court date, that parliament and city. That's the ruling of the 7th parliament, the speaker of the 7th parliament. But don't fix his court date. And they won't even call. And so that arrangement is a privilege. That arrangement was done by parliament. Because say Mondays in court sitting. Ni papa moi, na say a member of parliament to assist in an investigation. The speaker could say Mondays we don't sit. Say committee meeting be anyhow. And now say be anyhow or kwakoyema parliament. I think that every member of parliament is free on Monday. So you can only invite him on Mondays for him to assist in investigations. I mean, that's how I can feel say a bet me resolve some matter way. A public name say we are enjoying so much way. It's just to assist in investigations. And in parliament we don't sit. And even on Fridays, you point them. Ordinarily we close early unless there's an urgent business a bit prolonged sitting. So you bet me your arrangement a best suit the member of parliament interfere with Nejuma also here. So that's another thing. Because Obi Speaker say the job of an MP is starting with him and or on the constituency or in Nejuma as a member of parliament. But even talking to his people, even at dawn in the evening, now they are is part of parliament. So Emrano Shadam depending on or interpreting Emrano. Ni baby or the befa. Ebe suit to know the fa. Exactly. So for me, police among good indications on Beko court for interpretation. But this is your colleague who feels or is threatened, in fact. Of course, and then I told you, Sisi said I sympathize with him as a member of parliament. Look, Omahene, Mimitias is here, only my constituency. Only major a damage him because of roads. It is a enmity, now say, Nipa be watching Kuso more demonstrations. I can only go there, I can't close a blind eye to it. Se minim ho hwe kura na metia metuka akoho ene o makwa kokasa na ma church nse mo akire o it could happen to me. Because baby one apraku ye me nu kasa se sie
yeah
apraku kwan aka te say table so na kwan ni mu achemie no enti cars ne ba e bit to be gina one side na we mu akosa ansa na obi betumi anya kwan afa e bit to be gina for about 30 minutes and you feel a resident in how be
so if you join at that material moment na onye bone
what to say o constituents abochenku na BBC a obekọ MPB ni ho a what to say ni manfo
abochenku town na proximity
obekọ a bit me to Kafi Parliament. I have a vetted couple of demonstrations in my constituency. Amanya hen taxi driver for with me sorry how much power much explaining how much. So for me, I sympathize with him. A bit me to bia, but he share emrano subsequent invitation, formal invitation for him to assist in investigations. And no na me feel sanka yenye provisional or betumi anya opportunity to assist the police at the time I interfere with Nejuma.
But it's coming across as if you say two superpowers. Assume you know person much say you know we are there. Or the bar or the CMA.
Well, one of the things I admire so much about the Speaker of Parliament today, it's about his resolve to protect the authority of Parliament in true separation of powers. Every opportunity Speaker Benya Obeka Mwasem. In recent we are a Kumewu, where a member of Parliament, ex-official member of the Municipal Assembly, was prevented at the time Abano. The Speaker took a serious exception to it, and members of the political divide, everybody condemns it in no uncertain terms. That's fine. But me say, yes, is your man. Assembly ba na omani yame. Say me assist in investigations. That's not an arrest. It's an invitation to assist in investigation.
Okay.
So it was a Parliament. Any the said institution, a year in Shishaya, Tamam, a bet me, Ombeknya se mekono, enko interfere with Mejuma Amiye. And that's, I think, your president, or the 7th Parliament, Honorable Yariga, and your court. Uncle say Nejuma. They came into a compromise. So for me, I think that is how I was say approach assembly. Okay. But nonetheless, say police court, the interpretation. No limitations, no nyama Supreme Court debate to hono. Ebe boy yin na.
All right. You try one by ba. Any name for service to tete e try and come on so ye kwa batisia. From key me na oti no say designer wada. Obi abro.